Hello viewers, today I'm going to teach you how you can install Cloudflare Warp app to your Mac system. Simply head over to this URL 1.1.1 and download your desired client. Like you can download for your iPhone from the App Store or Android from Google Play. And we are going to download for Mac system, so we will choose this MacOS. Simply click on it and you will get the package file in your download folder. I have already downloaded this file, so I'm skipping this step. So once you get the zip file, simply unzip it by clicking on it, and you will get the Cloudflare Warp package file. Double click it and you will get the installation window. Just go through this installation process. It won't take you more than a minute. Click on continue, install, and then it will prompt for the admin password. Simply enter your admin password and click on install software. And there you go. The installation was successful. You can close it. Either you can keep it or move it to bin. I'm going to move it to bin. And in the menu bar, you get the warp icon. Click on it, and you can simply connect or disconnect it. Right now it is disconnected. I'm going to click on connecting, and now your internet is private. That's how easily you can install Cloudflare Warp into your Mac system. Thank you for watching the video. Have a great day ahead.